Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we will be grilling fish, but not with an oven like it's commonly done or frequently done. We'll be grilling fish with the frying pan. So for the ingredients that we need for this, in here I have my onions, chili peppers, garlic, ginger, cilantro, green onions, some lemon, and here I have white pepper, black pepper, and some salt. Of course, some Maggi Cubes or Knorr Cubes, and of course the star of our dish, the fish. Now I'll be using this mackerel for this delicious meal. Now you must have seen that I have ripe plantains here as well. That's because I'll be frying this separately to eat with the fish. Now please, let's get into the video and keep watching. In a bowl, mixed of diced chili peppers, cilantro, and red onions. I'm going to pour in my diced garlic and ginger. Here I have some squeezed lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Okay, and my dry ingredients, that's white pepper, black pepper, and salt. All of this combined, and of course some Maggi. Now I'm using olive oil for this. I'll pour this in the mix. There should be enough. And mix this together. And guys, please, I would like to note here that if you do not like to see chunks of, ginger, garlic, and all of this in your meal, you can always blend all of this. Okay, combine this and blend, and then you can now have a smooth blend. So now here, this is my fish. I already cleaned it and left it to dry. I left it to dry for about 30 minutes because I want it really dry. And all I have to do is, I didn't season it, I didn't do nothing. So in here, I'm just going to pour in my mix into the head of the fish, here. For the head, for the tail of the fish, I cut it in this way because my pan is not very big, so I had to divide the fish into two. Now for the tail, you see, I had to slice it in the middle just so that I could put my ingredients into it. And that's all you have to do, and just repeat the process on all of the fish that you have. Okay guys, here in a already heated pan, just pour in some oil. Okay, you can use any oil, anyone, use whatever is comfortable with you. Now this oil is too much. Okay, I just wanted to grease the pan, that's all. So I poured out the excess oil, and here just place in your forward fish, and normally I would leave this on each side. I'll turn it 5 minutes each. I'll let it cook 5 minutes each and then turn. Okay, I think the oil is hot now, so I'm just going to put in the plantain. Okay, please try to taste before you put in your plantain. Just put one in to make sure that the oil is hot, because if it's not hot and you put in your plantain, then you're going to have the plantain soaking up the oil, and you wouldn't want to eat that kind of plantain. Okay, so you just so guys, this is after 20 minutes. Okay, I told you that I increased the time, so this is the moment of truth. Let's see if we got it right or if we got it wrong. Guys, so this is our grilled fish, okay, fried ripe plantains, our cucumber, some red onions, and this is the vegetables that we grilled it together with. Yeah, now for the vegetable section, you can always include whatever vegetable that you want to use. That means you can use tomatoes, you can use bell peppers, whatever vegetable you want to use for this recipe, you're free to go ahead. But guys, let's be real, okay? Moment of truth. Let's taste. Look at that, please. Look at that texture. That's texture. Now I'm going to take that with a little bit of the grilled onions. Okay, why not with some plantains, and this chunk I'm going to put into my mouth. If you want, you can always put them separately. Okay, so yeah. My god, my god, oh my god, you guys should try this. Oh, try this recipe. It's fantabulous. It's delicious. Please, you guys should try this. It's really delicious. And please, for the record, if you're using this fish and your kids have to eat together with you, try to remove the bones. Okay, the bone is probably forgiven to keep because this particular brand has a lot of bones in it. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.